Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, the #1 place for all things beauty, hair, fashion, and lifestyle. Today, I'm coming at you with my Boxycharm unboxing, okay? This is my June box that we're gonna be getting into in today's video. So, before we do the unboxing, let's do some housekeeping. If you aren't already part of the Lady M fam, then what are you waiting for? Just take a second, go down, hit that subscribe button down below. And while you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I upload videos. Okay, are you excited? Because I'm kind of excited to find out what's up in this box, okay? So let's get into my June Boxycharm box. All right, I just made some room here so that way I can get into the box. So I just opened my little seal right there. So let me see, okay, what we got. This is supposed to be the Luxe box, but y'all know the Luxe box used to be really big. So something smells amazing. So this is what the box looks like. It has the little insert here, and I'm gonna rest my box here, and let's see. It says this one is Dare to Dazzle. That is the theme for this month's Boxycharm box. Okay, so let's open her up and dive in. I don't know what is smelling so good, but something up in here is smelling good, honey. I'm just like taking a peek. I don't even know what to grab. Okay, well, I just grabbed this, and this is the SIGMATIC Superfood face mask. Who is this? Okay, so this purifying face mask is made with real superfood ingredients. Relax while you clarify your skin 2 to 3 times a week with a mask that smells like brownie batter. And that is exactly what I'm smelling. It says that it's a dietary supplement. Purify inside out. You're holding a face mask made with real superfood ingredients. It's so pure you can eat it. Use every 2 to 3 days as a clarifying face mask. It says it's organic, it's an adaptogenic, and it's edible. And I tend to like adaptogenic products because they really work on like calming the skin. Like if you have redness, if you have sensitivities, like adaptogen is really good. So it says skincare that you can eat. That's everyday magic. Face mask and chill. But you have to mix it. It says mix packet with ½ teaspoon water and apply to face. Rinse off after 10 minutes. The flavor is chocolate plus brownie. So this is the box. That's the packaging. And this retails for $40. So as usual, I will link what the total value is for my box down here in the card somewhere. So you guys will know what the value of the entire box is. Also, in the description box, I'll list everything that's in my box. And then I'll also give you some information on Boxycharm, how to subscribe, you know, the different types of boxes. And I'll also have a link there that if you're interested, that you can sign up through my link that's in the description box. Okay, so this is the first product. This is very different and interesting, but it made my whole box smell amazing. Okay, so the next product I picked up, ooh, this is cooling gel eye pads, anti-aging, anti-wrinkle, and reduces dark circles. This is from the brand AMNH. Never heard of that before. So let me see here. Okay, so AMNH Skincare Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads. They're collagen gel eye pads that reduce wrinkles and dark circles. Isn't that so cute? And this is already sealed. So it says it helps to smooth out fine lines with anti-aging properties. It enhances the look and feel of your skin. It stimulates collagen production. Like, who does not want collagen production, okay? It reduces the appearance of dark circles, and it deeply hydrates the under eye area and increases skin elasticity. So it says, cleanse your face and under your eyes. How do you cleanse your face without cleansing your under eyes? But okay. It says, open the foil package, remove the eye gel pad from packaging and place under each eye. Let the pad sit for 20 to 30 minutes. Remove the gel pads and cleanse the under eye area. Okay. Do not reuse. All right, expiration date is on here. And that's it. There's 5 pairs that are in the box. I kind of like the packaging. It's so cute and girly. Like, look at, so cute. Okay, so that was the second item. I'm gonna grab this big thing here. Maybe this was also smelling in my box as well. So this one is called Aromatherapy Associates. This is from London. It's a Revive and it's a body gel. It energizes and awakens. So Aromatherapy Associates, that's the name. Packaging is just sleek as well. It's a Revive body gel. Enjoy the naturally exhilarating properties of this Revive body gel for skin that feels refreshed and smooth. High concentrations of the finest essential oils of juniper berry, deliciously invigorating grapefruit, and stimulating rosemary helps to promote an even skin texture and boost energy. This retails for $46. Oh, the iPads also retail for $32. This is pretty interesting. Let me see what it has on the back. This is vegan. It's a natural blend and sourced with care. So what is the directions? It says not recommended during pregnancy, for adults only. If suffering from a medical condition, seek advice from doctor before use. Where's the direction? Oh, massage into your skin each day using light upward strokes to stimulate the body. Focus on areas of concern like hips, thighs, stomach, ankles, and feet. It smells good. It smells like the spa. And I feel like that's what my box was smelling like, was the spa. Okay, I got a blush in here, guys. I got a NARS blush. And this is the cult favorite best-selling blush. Delivers weightless, natural-looking rush of cheek color in matte satin and shimmering finishes. This blush retails for $30, and the shade I have is Taj Mahal. And I don't own this color. I think it was one of the colors that I wanted at one point. Opening it up, it's like a nice orange color. So that's the Taj Mahal. So pretty. Gonna swatch. This is like a nice blush for the summertime. Okay. You can't even, ooh. Yes. So this is gonna be more like a blush topper because it's so shimmery. Like, I wanna kind of put it on right now. Oh my God, I love it. Okay. All right, NARS blush, I see you. I do love NARS. I love NARS blushes, so I do have a little, some of them in my arsenal already. And I told you what the MSRP was for the NARS blush. Let me just wipe my hands here. What's next? Okay. Okay, so next up, I'm going to go to this. It says ELEMIS Superfood AHA Glow Cleansing Butter. And this says that it's a new launch. This retails for $38. So you're gonna melt away makeup and daily impurities while leaving skin looking healthy, fresh, and glowing with this buttery brightening cleanser. A unique blend of fermented pumpkin enzymes and areola cherry rich in AHAs help to brighten skin, while mango butter and chia seed oil nourish and hydrate the skin. Now, I love ELEMIS because I do use their cleansing balm. They have the original, which is the yellow, and then they have the rose, which is the pink. I didn't really care for the original, but the rose, oh, it smells amazing. My skin is just supple when I'm finished with that. So this is exciting to try because I do love the rose cleansing balm. And then this reminds me of the Glow Recipe cleansing balm because theirs has papaya in it. Not papaya. Yeah, it has papaya. And then Pharmacy has an eye cream that uses this same areola cherry in it as well. So this is exciting. I'm excited to try it. ELEMIS, honey. This is a British brand, and this is all glass. Let me see. It's sealed. It feels like if it's sealed, then why is it all in the jar? Interesting. Okay, so I'm definitely excited to try that. So not too shabby. Then the next two things I have in, or three things I have in here is one is from Benefit. And this is their brow styler. And this is in the shade number 5, which is warm black brown. And this retails for $34. It's the eyebrow pencil and powder duo. This 3-in-1 wax pencil and powder duo is all you need to create 3 essential eyebrow looks. The waterproof 18-hour wear wax pencil effortlessly sculpts and shapes brows. The loose filling powder's precise angled felt tip allows for mess-free application while building easily for a soft and natural look. So this is exciting. I usually use Goof Proof, I think, from Benefit. So I remember when these first came out, I didn't really buy them. Let me check the color. Okay. That's the color of the pencil. It's kind of dark. And then let's see the powder. How does that work? Oh, okay. Nice. Okay, powder. Definitely excited to try this. So that's pretty good. Okay. Like it a lot. Never used this, but I have used the Goof Proof. I think I've used in the brows. I don't really know. I used the set thing. I've used a couple Benefits brow products before. Then we're back with this AVANT Hyaluronic Lactic Vitamin Mint Glycerin Collagen Isoparaffin Benzoic something glycol tripolene. This is a lot of words. Like, there you go. That's that. And what is this? This is a hyaluronic acid replenishing lip serum. A lip serum designed to simultaneously plump and nourish the lips. Hyaluronic acid works to intensely hydrate, plump, and balance moisture levels without feeling sticky. Lactic acid contributes to lightening the pigmentation and nourishing the lips effectively. Y'all, this thing retails for $122. Okay. That's what the packaging looks like. And I mean, I'm gonna try. I can see that it has like the little doe foot applicator with the little cotton tip right there. You probably won't be able to see it, but I can see it like that in there. Okay, interesting. $122. Never even heard of AVANT skincare. And the last thing I have in here is another skin product. And this one is from Dr. BRANDT. And this is the Triple Antioxidant Face Cream. This antioxidant enriched moisturizer provides skin with 12 hours of protection from damaging free radicals and external aggressors. It's formulated with a revolutionary A3 power, a dynamic shield boosted with antioxidant anti-stress ingredients that help preserve a youthful appearance. This retails for $64 and is a new launch. So I guess this is in a, the packaging is so cute. It says hashtag say I love you with pride. That's so cute. So that's what the box looks like. I guess it's just like a little squeezy tube. And then this is what the box looks like. And what does it say on the top? With pride. Faces of Pride. Embrace Skin with Pride, our triple antioxidant face cream in partnership with the AVANT Faces of Pride is formulated a dynamic moisture boost with anti-aging, antioxidant, and anti-stress ingredients to reduce the signs of aging, visibly reduce the look of stressed skin, and help maintain a luminous and healthy looking complexion. Hydrates, smooth, and it soothes irritation. Obviously, you're gonna apply on cleansed skin and you're gonna be able to use it day and night. Okay, so, not a bad box. I'm not gonna lie. I don't think there's, the only thing that's in here that I'm kind of like, well, two things. Is the superfood face mask, because I got to go in the kitchen and I got to do some concoction and I don't really know how I feel about that. And then this body gel. I mean, I'll try it, you know, like I'm open to trying things, but those would probably be the two things that I'm kind of like, you know, kind of sketchy with. So I did get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I probably would say 6 out of 8. That's not bad. That's about 80%. So a little bit of a thumbs up on this Boxycharm box, guys. Let me know in the comments. Did you get this box? What are your thoughts about your box? Did you get any of the items that I have? What are you excited that I got? Definitely let's talk about it in the comments below. I'm totally excited for my blush. I mean, there's a couple products in here that I'm really excited about. So not too bad. I'm pretty pleased because my last 2 boxes haven't been the best. So yeah, thanks for joining me, guys, for today's Boxycharm unboxing for my June box. If you aren't subscribed, then please make sure you take the time to hit that subscribe button down below. While you're there, make sure you turn on your notification bells to be notified whenever new videos go up. Okay, guys, that's it for my June Boxycharm unboxing. And if you want to check out my other boxes, then you know they're going to be linked in the card. So go check them out. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye.